lovelies, you're welcome to my channel once again. You are so welcome. Guys, if today is your first time of being here, nice to have you here. If you want to learn the DIY to grow your natural hair, then please, you are at the right place. Guys, today I'm coming to do spinach and rice hair mask that I've done, and it has helped me in so many ways. Guys, just stay tuned as we dive straight into the video. First thing I need is my shea butter, and this shea butter I'm coming to dissolve it in a warm water, which I will add to my other ingredients later. The next thing that I need is rice, and this is my rice. I'll be washing it soon and put it on fire right now. Rice increases hair volume, as we know, and rice has a better hair shine and appearance. Rice makes your hair stronger follicles, it repairs to cuticle damage. Rice takes care of your dandruff, and it also have anti-inflammatory effect on the scalp. So I've added my water now, and I'll be putting my rice on fire very soon. The next thing that I need is my spinach, which I'll be chopping very soon into blend. But first of all, I need to check on my rice next. Yes, my rice is cooking really well, and it will be ready really soon. So over here, I've chopped my spinach, and I'll be putting it into my blender soon to blend. Spinach is a healthy green vegetable that is loaded with beneficial nutrients like folate, iron, and vitamin A and C, all of which are important for our hair growth. So I'm adding water to my spinach, which I'll be blending it very soon into a paste. Now that my spinach is done blending, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to save it and put it aside. So this is my clear bowl, and I'm about to sieve my spinach, which I've just blended. So you can see how my spinach, my blended spinach, is looking as I'm sieving it here. And this is my blender once again. My rice is done, and I'm coming to transfer my rice into the blender, which I'll be adding the blended or the sieved spinach to it to blend the rice again. So I'm adding my sieved spinach to the rice. Shake a little bit. So I'm coming to blend my spinach and rice into a paste. I'm done blending my rice, which I mixed with the spinach. So now the next thing to do is to sieve the spinach and the rice also. So I have my clear glass bowl here, which I'm coming to sieve my spinach with the rice in. Yes, as you can see how I'm squeezing everything out, and see how milky and green it's looking. I made sure I squeeze out everything out of it. Now my rice and spinach is ready. The next thing is to add my shea butter. The butter is full of fatty acid and vitamins which help to hydrate your hair. It stimulates your hair, it anti-freeze, and it protects your hair. I am adding extra virgin olive oil, and extra virgin olive oil has a moisturizing property. So this is going to keep my hair moist. So here I need to mix it well. I have to make sure the oil and the rice with the spinach all is mixed really well. So I'm going to stir until I make sure it is mixed really well. Yes, you can see how nice it is looking. Oh my goodness. So now my rice and spinach mask is ready, and I'm about to apply it to my hair. So when applying, you need to put your hair into sections, like to take your hair section by section and be applying it. So as you can see over here, I make sure I apply to the root of my hair, to the tip of my hair, because I want my hair to grow really well. So I made sure I apply to my hair well, and you can see the difference between the side where I've applied the mask and the side where I haven't applied the mask yet. You can see the difference. That is a great difference between the two. And these hair masks actually help you to grow your alopecia hair, your thin edges. Just apply it around all those areas and massage it really well. So you can see how soft my hair has become, even to a extent. See how my comb is able to pass through the hair. But as at first the hair was so dry to a extent I wasn't even able to comb it. But you can see that there is a great difference between the time that I haven't applied the mask and the time I've applied the mask. Wow, my hair has become very soft and bouncy. Guys, just try this mask at home. It is very simple and nice, and it helps you. If you need any hair masks, you can try this out on your hair and just leave it at the comment section. Let me know after you've done it how it is. Let's share ideas together. I am really grateful for you being here. Please remember to subscribe to my account. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you.